Yeah. After this, bubuksan ko na. Bye for now. There. Ang sarap niya. Really, maasim na masarap. There. Yummy. Very yummy mango. It's only $25. There. In the wet market. There. So big a mango. $25 is not, for me, is cheap already. There. Kasi, syempre, pera ni Mr. Ling. Kaya very cheap. For me, it's not. I don't care. Pag may pera ako, pag mag-cash yang ibili, then I can buy. Hindi ako yung, alam mo na, yung madamot sa sarili. There. Basta ako'y nagtitikim ng mga masasarap. Kahit na medyo mahal, okay na.